Unfortunately, I have not been able to, even though he's a great idol that that actually inspires my work. And I work around political spaces. And my essential question is actually how to create safe spaces for young Africans in party politics and democratic processes. And I always look at Martin Luther King and say, if this guy had been in a safe space, America would have been great since his time. And so actually I admire him a lot. And I think that us, the Mandela Washington fellows, we came here because the State Department, coupled with great work from IREX, saw that we aim at things that are greater than our visions.
So you probably would agree with some who actually refer to Martin Luther King Jr. as the conscience of America.
Yes.
Very interesting.
Very interesting because that's why I also like this program Straight Talk, because just like Martin was very straight to the point. He fought for freedom, he died for freedom. And so I think that like the Mandela Washington Fellowship, we have to go beyond our mind. And it is important for us to do synergies, to create safe spaces for Mandela Washington Fellows where they can actually impact their societies. We actually work within very close spaces, in difficult spaces, and we need the spaces to be opened up for Mandela Fellows, to be selected out of thousands. For example, from Cameroon, 17 out of 1,275. It shows that you have something to offer to society. It's disheartening if you have to go back and you can give back because of close political spaces. It's very essential for us to create safe spaces, and we have one way forward, and that the world can provide for the young people, and that is technology.